Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we got 17-inch split 5-spoke alloys. Black MB Tex interior with a dark linden wood trim. Panorama sunroof. C300 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate, got a clean set of floor mats. Blind spot assist. Heated seats, memory seats. Heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Rear view backup camera. This one does come with the advanced parking package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors. Dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display. Cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 24,446 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.